Konnichiwa. Today we discuss words names in Japanese part 1. So let's start. First we have word tori. Then we have chicken. Nivatori. Then we have duck. Hero. Then we have eagle. Vasi. Then we have falcon. Hayabusa. Then we have flamingo. Flamingo. Then we have ghost. Gacho. Then we have owl. Fukuro. Then we have parrot. Pomo. Then we have penguin. Penguin. Then we have rooster. Ondori. Then we have Saki.
पानी में डाला तो तेरे ऐसा ड्रामा दिखा दिया, ऐसा रोया है बहुत जैसे तू रोता था ना बचपन में।
Kamome. Then we have swan. Hakucho. Then we have Taukan. I think Taukan. Ohasi. Ohasi. Then we have Turkey. Turkey. Sentimento. So this is in this video. I hope you'll understand. Thank you for watching and take care. And before we end this video, fact is I see a man on YouTube named was Utah. He telling the pronunciations of. So please watch first that video Utah's pronunciations. He will tell you how to pronounce a word, Japanese word, because I also see people are not pronouncing them like the Japanese people pronounce, so other people can pronounce like that. So if you need to pronounce your better, then watch your test video, and after you watch, you know more things about, like I put down the things, like if you saying a sentence in Japanese, so what's your profession, like rude, or what your tone, rude, if rude or calmly. So he will tell you how and what situation you say that word on that tone. Okay, so basically in Japanese, I will tell you in Japanese there are so many pronunciations. Like if I say how are you in Japanese, so I will say Genki desu ka. So it's like polite. But if I use other words, so is rude, or other words are rude. So this is polite pronunciation. Okay, then you first watch YouTube's video, then come, then watch my video. Okay, sayonara.